stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
We needed to get this far enough down the path to where there were a few issues extant that needed to be closed, and we're delaying the process so that we can close those remaining issues. We're going to press on. We think the status quo is unsustainable, and we're optimistic we're going to get to a result that's better than the status quo.
You will never get the results until you are honest. You politicians have to be honest that you will never allow a free market. That's the problem here. The reason we don't have a free market healthcare system because none of these guys like Mr. McConnell, the rest of them, especially the Republican leaders, all of them, they can't put their man pants on and tell the healthcare companies, the pharmaceutical companies, to go jump in the lake. See, that's the problem. They're owned by the healthcare companies, the pharmaceutical companies. They get big checks for them. That's how they get reelected. Those are who they go to get funded. We'll never have a free market. You've got to have a free market. Close this whole thing down. Get rid of Obamacare. Get rid of it. This Medicare and Medicaid is a joke. Why don't we just admit it? I mean, think about Medicaid and Medicare. That's socialized medicine. And most Americans rely on Medicare. And they're pretending they're going to give us this free market. There's not going to be a free market because they're controlled until they can tell these people to go jump in the lake, as I said. It's amazing. They're trying to do a mixture of socialism and free market and in corporatism, as you want to call it. Trying to keep everybody happy. So scared of these pharmaceutical companies, insurance companies. Here's what I don't get. Why, on the first day in office, why didn't the Republicans get together and sit down with President Trump and say, let's do a mandate on your first day. We'll write with our pen and our phone, and we'll tell America we're going to get rid of that mandate where people have to buy insurance because this is America. This is America. We believe in free markets. So we're going to get that done the first day. Wouldn't that have been fantastic the very first day? Why is it 5 months and they've never done it? 5 months. Because they're scared. They're scared of the insurance companies. Wouldn't that have been a wonderful thing just to get rid of that? Unbelievable. Tell people we're not going to go down the road of socialism. Forcing people to buy insurance. Or how about this? Why didn't he also take his pen and his phone and write one of these orders to say no longer are you going to have to go through your employer to get your insurance? No more. Are you going to be stuck going through your employer? You got to sign up for your employer with your employer to get insurance. You can go across state lines. Why didn't he just put that in a memo or I forgot what the executive order. Just write executive order. This is today. We're ending that you have to go and get the insurance from your employer. Today, you can go across state line and start shopping. And no longer, if you don't want insurance, you just forget it. Go to the hospital. Go to the emergency room. There's a law that says they got to take care of you. They've been doing that since, 1980? Unbelievable. And what's amazing about this Ryan Care, and what's amazing about all these insurance, Obamacare and other proposals, it kills the economy. Medicare, the entitlement, kills our economy. No wonder we can't grow the economy. And here you got this. The other thing that grinds me. These liberal Democrats, these socialists, are saying, wow, look at this bill. It's not transparent. It's not transparent. Are you kidding me? The liberal Democrats are saying that they had a transparent bill during the crafting of Obamacare? And the Republicans are not? Wow, what short memories. Remember, during the campaign between Obama and Romney, each time Romney warned, remember the debates, that when Obamacare was launched, he'd say millions will lose their insurance policies. Obama said, oh no. Valerie Jarrett came out and said, oh no. Axelrod, his campaign manager, oh no. Matter of fact, even Valerie Jarrett came out with a letter to the world. No one is going to lose their insurance. Yet these same parasites, Obama, Valerie Jarrett, Axelrod, all knew they were standing up there lying, because buried deep in the June 2010 Federal Register on page 34,552, it cites that these same key players knew it, that they knew that 10 million people would be canceled if you work for a small business. At least 65% will lose their employer-based insurance, and 45% for those who work for large corporations. And they also said there are 156 million Americans who have employer-based plans, and at least 79 million would lose their insurance. This is right in the bill. That's why they didn't want us to read the bill. That's why Pelosi said, we got to get this bill signed before we read it, because she was afraid that you were going to get to page 34,552, where it's got written right there on that page how many people would lose their health care. That's why she said, let's get this going now. Let's pass it before you read it. I mean, I don't know how many people would get to page 34,552. Heck. I mean, oh my God. Imagine going through that, starting out page 1. Oh my God. But what a bunch of liars. Isn't it unbelievable? They knew it. I knew it. And finally they scored. The budget office scored it now. Scored the Senate's version of the Ryan bill, showing a savings of $321 billion over the next 10 years. Yeah, right. Yeah, really. And you know, I know it's really funny. The Senate version of the bill is worse than the House version. It gets worse, not better. This is crazy. This is nuts. What would you think if I said to you, what would you think if I said this? The auto industry is proposing that you now can wait and buy your collision insurance after you have a collision. That's their new policy. You'd say, well, that sounds good, but it's not realistic, because how could a company survive financially? It can't. Exactly. That's the new version of the Senate health care bill. It's the same thing. That's how it's going to be structured. You can get your insurance after you get sick. This is nuts. This is crazy. And they're going to have more sick, more elderly than young and healthy. At least Obama was smart enough to put in, when he knew he was going to have more sick and more elderly, at least he put in a mandate to get the young people to have to buy insurance. These dopes in the Senate version don't even do that. There's no mechanism to get the young people to buy. This is so stupid. Just scrap it all and say, go get your own insurance. And if you don't have any, meet me at the hospital emergency room if you have a problem.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. philsgang.com. What are people saying?
I've been in the financial business myself about 24 years. Very much enjoy the software program for the charts.
I love the new MV charts on Phil's software, and I'm making profits using them.
Complete guidance and professional education for investors who want to succeed in the stock market.
I love your new MV1, making lots of profits.
I love the chart. I'm limited with time, real good as far as just looking at whatever ticker tells me right away.
I've always enjoyed Phil's straightforwardness and talk about what's really going on.
The new MV1 and MV2 charting software. I particularly like the pre- and post-market candlesticks.
You guys have always been great on the service side. I can't say enough about the service side.
Don't wait. Sign up for Phil's Gang today. Give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Celebrating 18 years as the leader in investing and trading education.
Following your system has been fantastic.
Yeah, I really appreciate the work you do. You're really an inspiration.
I have learned so much.
You're really one of the best I've ever heard. I've been with you for about a month and a half now, and I'm already up 7%.
Financial education is, in many respects, the most important education you can get, and that's what they're getting from your show.
You guys have always been great on the service side.
I have so much more confidence in when I'm in my trading.
Phil, keep up the good work.
I've been in this business for 45 years, and you are the best.
And I've been following you, I guess, about 9 months right now, and you've just done a great job.
Join the gang, and you'll never regret it.
If you're serious about securing your financial future, then contact philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
Hi, Phil Grandy here. I want to reach out and thank all the listeners in the Boston area for listening to Phil's Gang Show on AM 1260, The Buzz.
Are you ready to get serious about your financial future? Reduce your debt, pay off those student loans, and prepare for retirement. Taking control of your finances can be intimidating, but with philsgang.com, you will be educated and guided to make smart investment decisions in the stock market. If the market is up or down, philsgang.com is the only source where you'll learn how to trade stocks and how to invest in the stock market using professional-level skills and strategies. For more information, go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. We're offering the most powerful stock charts available on the market, the Max Best 1000 charts. Now, the difference between these charts and all the other charts is this follows the money. Yes, it gives you a buy-sell signal. I know you're going to say, well, they all do. No, not true. The difference with the Max Best is they follow the important money, the hedge funds, the biggest banks, the 401ks, the pension fund managers. That's the big difference. They're not following the emotion. That's what most charts do. They follow the money. That's what MaxVest does, follows the money. Check it out. Join my gang, philsgang.com. Oh, and the chart is low as $19.95 a month. For more information, just go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. We will see you on the charts.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-4264, 877-600-4264, 877-600-4264.
It took me a long time to be able to say Chandler has cancer, because that is such a scary word. When St. Jude finds something that works well with a certain cancer, they share that with everybody. And knowing that we don't have to pay for all of the medical expenses, that's huge. We just have to worry about helping Chandler, and he's just my heart.
St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Finding cures, saving children. Learn more at stjude.org.
To many, the stock market is shrouded in mystery. When do I buy? What is the stop loss? Should I invest on earnings? Is it time to sell? At Phil's Gang, we want to clear the investing fog for you. We want to make you an educated, confident investor and ultimately a profitable investor. For over 15 years, Phil Grandy and the Phil's Gang team have been dedicated to teaching, guiding, and answering your investment questions. And with our new Phil's Gang website and customer support messaging system, we are available when you need us to answer your questions. philsgang.com can be accessed from your home, office, or any location where internet is available. Plus, you never miss a beat because all material is archived. From beginner to seasoned investor, Phil Grandy has been helping thousands of people learn about the stock market and producing smart investing strategies. Whether you're preparing for retirement or looking to secure your financial future, learn, invest, and profit with Phil's Gang. That's philsgang.com. For more information, call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
We have a second suggestion for our Republican colleagues to work with us. Abandon the closed-door secret process they have used. And we can start over again and work together.
Welcome back. Chuck Schumer, what a phony. What a phony he is. Unbelievable. Talk about phony. Earnings. It's amazing how investors used to live by the earnings. Remember after the 2000, we had the dot-com crash, and they set all these new rules up, and CEOs had to sign the final accounting statement, or if he lies, he goes to prison. They vowed to clean up, remember, their act, make sure the earnings were real. None of that's happened. These earnings are so phony. Listen to this guy, what he says today. This drove me nuts when I heard this today.
Earnings data was great. So first quarter was great. We think second quarter is going to be great. But I'm very concerned that the U.S. economy, which has been growing about 2%, is more likely to break down below that than to break above it over the course of the next year or so.
Earnings are great. They got earnings going up. The stock is going up. The earnings aren't even keeping up with it. I mean, it's a joke. Think about it. They ignore, a lot of these companies come out and ignore normal costs of running a business. They ignore them. They don't put them in their numbers just so to make the numbers look better. And remember these stock buybacks. They go in, they get all this money, low interest rates from the Federal Reserve. They buy their stock back. That boosts earnings. When you buy your stock back and you have less shares outstanding, that pushes your earnings up, which pushes your stock up. All fake. So here we got healthcare programs that are all fake and just ridiculous, and there's no free market. The stock market is no longer a free market. So you got the healthcare is all engineered, and to make money for the pharmaceutical companies, to make money for the healthcare companies, to make money for Wall Street. And then you got the stock market, same thing. And here's what's great. These analysts who are supposed to be in between the investor and the corporation, make sure they produce real numbers, they're on their side. These analysts are bought, and they spoon feed. The analysts will spoon feed him the information he wants to report. Then goes on CNBC and comes out with all this rosy numbers. No, that's not what analysts are supposed to do. They're supposed to be tough on the companies. Meet with the CFO. Prove to me these numbers. I don't want rosy numbers. Show me the real numbers. In fact, the gap between what they call adjusted profits and the bottom line earnings has increased over 72%. 72% of the companies that were reviewed, the S&P 500 companies, 72 of the S&P 500 companies that were reviewed, they had an audit, had adjusted profits that were higher than net income in the first quarter of this year. Remember when they came out and they said, oh, look at our earnings. We're up 8%. Wow. They were fake. 40% of them were fake. 40% was fake. It's unbelievable. Because they're taking the adjusted profits, okay, and they're tweaking them. And then they take the bottom line earnings, which, by the way, it's the bottom line earnings that companies are legally supposed to report, or net income, but they don't anymore. They use this adjusted profits. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. 1 of every 5 companies have these adjusted profits. The adjusted profits were higher than the net income by 50% or more. Think about that. One of every 5 companies of the S&P 500, these adjusted profits were higher than the net income by 50% or more. That is insane. So that's why you use charts. That's why I tell you, don't listen to these people. So when you hear CNBC in the morning, you hear Fox, don't listen to them. Before you buy a stock, just put it on a chart. See, that's what a chart is supposed to do. It gets rid of all this corruption. Because in the end of the day, what you really having you do is trade in the fantasy, trade in the dream. In the end of the day, what you really need to watch is who is buying the stock? Is there more money going in or is there more money going out? It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. So anytime you hear earnings, how great they are, no, they're not. It's all a bunch of nonsense, these earnings. They're just not true. And when you go back and you look at the earnings, you go back to the last quarter of 2015, wow. I mean, they were really bad. I mean, you go back to the last quarter of 2015, minus 8%. Go to the first quarter of 2016, minus 9%. The second quarter the second quarter of 2016 was minus 5%. Their first quarter was minus 9%. The third quarter was 3.5%. That was the first clean one they had. And then the fourth quarter was 4.9%, and that was a phony number. And now 2017, our first quarter earnings, they said 13%. No. They were lying. The gap between the adjusted profits that these analysts cited on CNBC and Fox and the bottom line earnings figures that the companies are legally and are obligated to report, or their net income, they tweaked it to widen it, to make it better. In other words, the 13%, 40% of that 13% never happened. It was fake. And the GDP was 0.7%. That's how we grew. We'll be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Even the experienced traders and investors need to keep learning to stay ahead. philsgang.com provides educational information about Phil's Gang products and services in many different ways. Daily live webinars hosted by Phil Grandy and technical charting experts help you understand and keep up with today's lively markets. Short videos, investing programs, and up-to-the-minute market alerts help you get up to speed with the market using Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charting software. We teach you an investing foundation that you seek to take the first steps towards achieving your personal financial goals. Visit philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Again, that's philsgang.com. philsgang.com. Or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Performing technical analysis is no easy task for any investor unless conducted with a professional stock charting service. At Phil's Gang, we offer a choice of high-power, color-coded stock charts, all seamlessly integrated, so you can tackle the market the way you want to. The Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts. From Phil's Gang are high-performance HTML5 web-based charts that work on any browser and device, so you can put live streaming data and fully interactive charts in the palm of your hand. Phil Grandy designed the MV software to have the best features, and so far the early reviews have been great. You can plot charts on an intraday basis as well as on a daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annual basis. There is also a built-in watch list that you can customize to your liking. For more information, go to philsgang.com, philsgang.com, or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264, 877-600-4264. Are you ready to get serious about your financial future? You know, reduce your debt, pay off those student loans, and prepare for retirement. Taking control of your finances can be intimidating, but with philsgang.com, you will be educated and guided to make smart investment decisions in the stock market. If the market is up or down, philsgang.com is the only source where you'll learn how to trade stocks and how to invest in the stock market using professional-level skills and strategies. For more information, go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It took me a long time to be able to say Chandler has cancer, because that is such a scary word. St. Jude takes care of absolutely everything. And knowing that we don't have to pay for all of the medical expenses, that's huge.
St. Jude allowed me to focus on being a mom to Bryce. And sometimes I'm just in awe of the impact St. Jude has, not only on this community, but the world.
St. Jude is uniquely positioned to advance the cures of pediatric cancer, I think better than any other institution in the world. The contributions make a big difference.
Donors are important to us because you get the feeling that you have a team behind you. We have the resources and we have the focus, and so if St. Jude doesn't do it, who will?
St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Finding cures, saving children. Learn more at stjude.org.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of Phil's Gang. I got a great opportunity for those people who are discussing with the market who don't have time to learn. What you do is follow me in the exchange-traded fund that I'm invested in. Every day you go to my site and you can see exactly what I am doing with my investment, and you can mimic me. Nobody else dares do that. Join the gang, philsgang.com.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Celebrating 18 years as the leader in investing and trading education.
Following your system has been fantastic.
Yeah, I really appreciate the work you do. You're really an inspiration.
I have learned so much.
You're really one of the best I've ever heard. I've been with you for about a month and a half now, and I'm already up 7%.
Financial education is, in many respects, the most important education you can get, and that's what they're getting from your show.
You guys have always been great on the service side.
I have so much more confidence in when I'm in my trading.
Phil, keep up the good work.
I've been in this business for 45 years, and you are the best.
And I've been following you, I guess, about 9 months right now, and you've just done a great job.
Join the gang, and you'll never regret it.
If you're serious about securing your financial future, then contact philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
Phil Grandy here, Phil's Gang Radio Show. To all my listeners in San Francisco, I want to reach out and thank you all for listening on Business Radio KDOW, KDOW 1220 AM.
Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. The Phil's Gang Stock Corner is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 Stock Charts.
And welcome to Stock Corner. Okay, we're going to take a look at the market. The market right now is down 60 points. It's been struggling all week. Matter of fact, it's not all week. It's been struggling now for over a month. If you look at the S&P on your chart, and you'll see that we have been in this range. If you look, we've been stuck in a range between $242 and $244. That's less than 1%. And we started that on June 1st, and today is June 27th. So for 27 days, this market has been trading in a range of less than 1%. What's going on? Because the problem is, everybody knows the last 17% of this rally is all a big, fat, ugly bubble. There's no earnings, just like I said a moment ago. What they report for the adjusted profits and the net income were higher by 50% or more. They're cheating. And let me ask you this. Think about common sense. How could you have the first quarter 2016 earnings minus 9%? Compare that to 2017 first quarter, which went from minus 9 to plus 13. But yet, the GDP economic growth in the first quarter, when they claimed they had a minus 9%, okay, earnings growth of minus 9%, their GDP growth, economic growth, was 1.1%. So how does this make sense? If we had a 13% earnings growth compared to minus 9%, but yet our GDP for 2017 first quarter is 0.7%. So we had higher earnings, 13%, but our economic growth was 0.7%. But our economic growth, when we had a minus 9% in earnings, was 1.1%. It makes no sense. That's why if you're going to make money in this market, stop listening to fundamentals. I'll tell you where a lot of money is going to be made now is in oil. Oil has gotten hammered. And you want to be looking at right now the oil service stocks like Rig, for example. Take like Rig. That's a real good company. This stock in the last year has dropped from a high of $17 to where it is today of $8. A 52% drop in one of the best companies in the world, Rig. It's an oil service company. People will go to Macy's. They'll fight. Christmas, people are outside of Kmart or Walmart lining up all night, and they trample each other to get a discount. But I could sit here all day on the radio telling you, can you believe this? Rig is down by 50%, one of the best oil service companies in the world, and your eyes are glazing over, and you're yawning. Then you just stay with your 401k. That's my broker will take care of me. Yeah, right. But just think about it. So all you got to do now is just follow me. And by the way, the end of this June now, at the end of a couple more days, no longer will you be getting. Remember, I've had this offer out. Join the gang for $39.95, and you get your free MV2 for 1 month for $29.95. That ends at the end of the month there, a couple more days. So make sure you sign up, become a gang member today. The phone's 877-600-GANG. And you can follow me. People are there waiting for your call. 877-600-GANG. And then you get the free chart for 30 days. And start following me on these oils. Stop listening to the nonsense. Stop listening to the nonsense. So Rig is looking really, really good. And it just turned green. It's not ready to buy yet. Because once it turns green, we need what we call a confirmation. There's a little line that has to get up to around 33% that confirms the money that's coming in, the momentum of that money is really solid. Sometimes a stock will go up. Let's say from $8 to $10, and it's still red. The stock can go up 25%. It's telling you not to buy it, even though it's going up 25%. It's telling you not to buy it yet because it's not sustainable. Then all of a sudden it will turn green. Now you know you buy it. Now it's sustainable. When you buy stocks, the worst thing you do is look at the price. The pricing of the stock will kill you. It will kill you. You don't buy a stock based on the price. And 99% of you do that. You think, I got to get in at $8 before it gets to $9. I got to get in at $9 before it gets to $10. No, that's not how the market works. You get in when you have the highest probability of not losing money. It's all about managing money, not the stock. Then you got signals on the stock to tell you when to add to your position. but to add to it. And that's a good thing. It's so easy with technology today. You want to stay so far away from technicals. It's incredible. You just stay away from it. I mean, from fundamentals. Just use the technicals. And especially in the exchange-traded funds. Right now, retail, take XRT. That's the exchange-traded fund for retail. Retail has dropped in the last year. Think about this. Retail has dropped from, now this is the exchange-traded fund. This is the basket of them. Dropped from $48, okay, $48 down to $38. I'm rounding it off. We got a discount of 20%. 20%. So yesterday we get this durable goods number. I mean, this is what's so stupid. We get a durable goods number yesterday. I mean, it was a terrible number, a horrible number. And yet, what is she doing? Remember, right before we got the durables number, when she started to raise rates, remember, already we had terrible data. But the durable goods orders, these are the big ticket items like TV appliances, computers, planes, etc. It identifies the strength of the economy going forward, and it's a disaster. The durable goods, which identifies the strength going forward, sends us a message. It was a disaster. So let them keep pumping the stock market up. Remember, President Trump now owns it. Remember, he's saying it's no longer a big, fat, ugly bubble. He owns it now. So he's going to keep pushing the market up until it can't be pushed anymore. So all you want to know is when to get out. We don't care if the market's fake. We don't care if earnings are fake. What do we care? We don't care at all. We just want to know when to get out. But the beautiful thing, too, with a stock, take like Facebook. Think Facebook. Facebook has gone, if you look at Facebook, in 1 year has gone from $106 up to $156. And think about Facebook. 47%. And now it's just starting to turn red. Remember we had that flash crash? We had the flash crash back here on June 9th. It has not been able to make a new high. If you're not getting out of Facebook, you got to be nuts. Join my gang. Follow me on the MV2 color-coded chart. 877-600-GANG. Get your free chart.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Even the experienced traders and investors need to keep learning to stay ahead. philsgang.com provides educational information about Phil's Gang products and services in many different ways. Daily live webinars hosted by Phil Grandy and technical charting experts help you understand and keep up with today's lively markets. Short videos, investing programs, and up-to-the-minute market alerts help you get up to speed with the market using Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charting software. We teach you an investing foundation that you seek to take the first steps towards achieving your personal financial goals. Visit philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Again, that's philsgang.com. philsgang.com. Or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of Phil's Gang. I got a great opportunity for those people who are disgusted with the market, who don't have time to learn. What you do is follow me in the exchange-traded fund that I'm invested in. Every day you go to my site and you can see exactly what I am doing with my investment, and you can mimic me. Nobody else dares do that. Join the gang, philsgang.com.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. To many, the stock market is shrouded in mystery. When do I buy? What is the stop loss? Should I invest on earnings? Is it time to sell? At Phil's Gang, we want to clear the investing fog for you. We want to make you an educated, confident investor and ultimately a profitable investor. For over 15 years, Phil Grandy and the Phil's Gang team have been dedicated to teaching, guiding, and answering your investment questions. And with our new Phil's Gang website and customer support messaging system, we are available when you need us to answer your questions. Phil'sGang.com can be accessed from your home, office, or any location where internet is available. Plus, you never miss a beat because all material is archived. From beginner to seasoned investor, Phil Grandy has been helping thousands of people learn about the stock market and producing smart investing strategies. Whether you're preparing for retirement or looking to secure your financial future, learn, invest, and profit with Phil's Gang. That's Phil'sGang.com. For more information, call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
To be able to just get my son to St. Jude and not think about how we will pay for it, it just takes so much weight off of my family. St. Jude allowed me to focus on being a mom to Bryce. And sometimes I'm just in awe of the impact St. Jude has, not only on this community, but the world.
St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Finding cures, saving children. Learn more at stjude.org.
Even the experienced traders and investors need to keep learning to stay ahead. Phil'sGang.com provides educational information about Phil's Gang products and services in many different ways. Daily live webinars hosted by Phil Grandy and technical charting experts help you understand and keep up with today's lively markets. Short videos, investing programs, and up-to-the-minute market alerts help you get up to speed with the market using Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charting software. We teach you an investing foundation that you seek to take the first steps towards achieving your personal financial goals. Visit philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Again, that's philsgang.com. philsgang.com. Or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. And remember, only 4 days left, including today, to get your free chart. And we close it off. That free color-coded chart tells you when to buy, when to sell. Join the gang. It's $39.95. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-GANG. And here's why the chart is so valuable. When you hear this kind of nonsense.
My question is about Ulta, and as it's dropping, is it safe to continue investing?
I think that Mary Dillon is doing a remarkable job, and I want you to buy Ulta. Look, I know the chart looks bad. All right.
I know Mary, she's doing a wonderful job. I want you to buy it. Really? It even says buy it when the chart looks bad. Not only does it look bad, money's pouring out of it. Look, it turned red. Hey, look at it. Look, you can see it right here. It turned red if you're following me on a mobile device. Look, it turned red here, right here. Turned red. And now she's dropped. And he's got you in this. It's dropped already, about 5% from 303 down to 282. And it's down 7%. And look at the money's pouring out of it. You don't buy it until it gets a buy signal on the way back up. And even then, take the stock when it was at 276. Yeah, exactly. He should be telling her to short the stock. Sell it short. Make money as it goes down. Here's another one. The same stock. It was trading at 276. It went from 276 up to 287. Went up 4%, but it stayed red. See right here, if you're looking at it, it stayed red. It stayed red right here. See it? She stayed red. So that's telling you it's going up about, 7%, but it's telling you not to get in. Not to get in. And that's also valuable. Also valuable. Here's another one. Listen to this. This is crazy stuff. To join.
Qatar invested in American Airlines. I own it also. I think it's up 20% in a year.
Up 20%. How does he know it's going to be up 20% in a year? How does he know that? I've been in this business, 43 years? I don't know that. How does he know that? He doesn't know that. He doesn't know it. And this stock, if you go back and take a look at it, this stock back in December, it can't break out. In December, the stock was at $49.34. Today it's at $48.61. Today it's red. It's telling you the institutions are pulling out. So if you heard him, you'd be saying, wow, I should buy this. He must know what he's doing. He's on TV. Really? It's been red since June 14th. And money's pouring out of it. This is so dangerous.
Predictions. Jake, and Amazon plus their new wardrobe business means more boxes. PKG up 30% next 12 months.
How do they know? How do they know? I don't know what I'm going to have for supper. They know 30%. These people are unbelievable. Listen to this.
I think infrastructure has Home Depot up 20% in a year. Spring break is upon us. It means fast food restaurants are going to surge. McDonald's up 20%. Vodafone is a way to play with. I think it's up 20% in a year. Gilead Science had a bad earnings report, but they got a great pipeline. I own it. I think it's up 20%.
Amazing. Isn't it how the producers make them do this? Make them do. You go read their newsletters. These are all newsletter guys. Their newsletters are different than what they say on the show. Yeah, go check it out. Their newsletters are different because they can't say the truth, because you got to pump people up, make them feel good. Are you kidding me? Nobody knows how high a stock is going to go. Everything with a stock is probability. Everything is probability. And that's the beautiful thing about a stock. It's all probability. And when stocks go up, they have a good reason. Okay? It's not, I know the CEO, he's a good friend of mine. No, it has nothing to do with that. No, it's all about money. Sometimes you get a tax cut. And even with tax cuts, you can't, all of a sudden the stock won't go up. Even if you had the best tax cuts. Because remember, this big tax cut he's going to do, that improves the incentive to work, right? When you have tax cuts, it improves the incentive to save, to invest. Also means earnings are going to grow. You're going to get dividend payouts. You're going to get volatility. All those things. But doesn't guarantee it's going to go up. The only thing that guarantees you go up, if it wants to go up. And the boys in the back room make a decision if they want it to go up. It's that simple. It's that simple. You guys take some of these oil companies. Another good oil company is OXY. This is a great oil company right here, OXY. Okay? Now, OXY, this thing has been going sideways. This has been going sideways since the beginning of May. And it's been in a range between $58.54 and $61.93. That means the stock is getting stronger and stronger. When they go in a sideways consolidation like that, it's like it's getting stronger and stronger. And when it breaks up, if it breaks out and goes up, it will go up the same distance it's gone sideways. If it breaks down, it'll go the same distance it went sideways. All you need to do is have your chart, watch it. If it breaks down, you want it to be red. If it breaks up, you want it to be green. And the best thing is, just if you're so busy, follow me with the exchange-traded funds. The S&P, we follow 10 different groups. My favorites are oil, retail, semiconductors, or you can buy just the S&P 500, the spiders. We put it in our chart. When it's green, we buy. When it's red, we sell. So easy. You follow me. And when I tell you we're going to buy, you buy. When I tell you you're going to add to your position, we're going to add. If I tell you take some of your money out, take it out. If I tell you to run like hell, you run like hell. It's that simple. You follow me every day. Also, at the end of the day, when I finish this radio show, there's 5 stocks. We trade the same 5 stocks all year. It simplifies it. We put it on our chart. We wait till it tells us to buy, tells us to sell. 5 charts. I go over those every night. If you're busy, you can't come to my class, you don't even want to go to an archive, it's a couple-minute archive, a video I do at night, and I tell you what to do with these 5 stocks, what we did every day. Every day I do a video and tell you, here's what you should do with those 5. I do the same thing with exchange-traded funds. I do like a 5-minute little tape, tell you exactly what you should be doing. Nobody does that for $39.95. So here you are. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG. Join the gang and make sure you make sure you get your free MV2 color-coded chart. Okay, I want to get back to what's going on here with this is amazing to me. Okay, we have this Medicare is just gotten totally out of hand. Medicaid. It's cost us $553 billion a year, and it's killing our economy. It really kills our economy. I mean, just think about it. The federal government takes this money and sends it over to the states. And these health and we're giving these people all this free insurance. And the problem is that these health insurance premiums have gone nuts, have skyrocketed. It's making it tougher for weak workers, and especially for low-income workers to make it. In other words, an average premium paid by a worker, let's say, is gone from $1,500 to $3,300. That's crazy. The average family premium, or if your employer pays it per worker, is jumped from $4,200 to $9,000. This is going crazy. And this Medicaid, which we send to these governors, and every governor takes it because it makes their budgets look better. Makes their budget looks better, but it kills our economy. And think what it does. The federal income tax that we have to pay, and then on top of that, you got to pay 1.4% the small business owner for his share of the withholding tax and Medicaid. It's just a killer. Open the market, get rid of this Medicaid, get rid of withholding tax, get the money back into the economy. Get my free chart, 877-600-GANG.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.